In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to disable WordPress admin bars for all users except administrators. WordPress displays an admin bar on the top for all logged-in users. This toolbar is visible in the WordPress admin area as well as other pages when you're logged in. By default, you can easily disable the WordPress admin bar for any user from the dashboard. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Users, and then click on All Users. Now, just go to the user you want to disable the admin bar of. Click on Edit under the user. In the toolbar settings, simply uncheck this option. And this will hide the admin bar for that user. This is a very simple method, but this method can take time if you have a lot of registered users on your site. So, if you do have a lot of users on your site, then you can use a plugin to disable the admin bar for all your users. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Hide Admin Bar from Front End plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now go to Settings and click on the Hide Admin Bar settings. You can disable the admin bar for all the users by clicking here. If you want to disable it for specific roles, then you can do it from here. So I'll select all the users except the administrator. And then click on Save Changes. And that's it. This is how you can disable WordPress admin bars for all users except administrators. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.